Today, pag-usapan natin, for me, probably the most luxurious yet mysterious looking SUV in the market. And this is electric. This is the BYD Tang EV. Let's go. Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Today, medyo kakaiba itong i-feature natin since this is, I would say, a very high-end SUV. Kaya alam mo, this has an asking price na masasabi natin na chosen few lang ang may kakayanan na abutin. Well, because we're talking about serious money right here, it's more than 3M. Kaya alam mo na from the price alone, this is completely a different level of car ownership. As in the overall experience, as in kung ito magiging daily driver mo, itong kotse na to, talagang iba ang magiging overall experience mo. Sabi ko nga kanina, sobrang mysterious ang dating niya, lalo na itong Black Edition. From the initial impression pa lang, andun na kaagad yung dating na this is super quiet and you know that it has some serious torque. Meron siyang intimidating na appeal na alam mong huwag mo siyang paandaran kasi di ka talaga obra sa power o talaga arangkada na lang na meron siya. It has this nonchalant personality look na don't try to bother me or stay away from me, something like that. Even on stop and go traffic, talagang didistansya ka sa kanya. Siguro nga kasi you don't see a lot of them on the road. Mostly, Sea Lion at Atto ang makikita natin from BYD sa mga kalsada. It looks big, nasa category siya ng mga MU-X or Everest in terms of size. It is a 7-seater, kaya makakonsider po natin siya na mid-size SUV. Doon po siya sa category na yon. Yung design niya, I can say it has a sharp pero medyo bilugan din eh. May silver design accent with the BYD logo just sa front fascia niya. Napaka-serious ang look nitong headlights niya. Pati na din tong chin area niya na may ganitong design accent. Yung may okay din para hindi all black ang nakikita mo. As we move to its side profile, mapapansin mo agad na malalaki yung mga gulong niya. Pag tinignan nyo sa video na to, hindi ganong kalaki ang dating niya pero pag sa harapan na ang laki po niya. I believe it's 21 inch. There are chrome accents around. Makikita nyo naman, ayan. At meron siya nitong sloping roofline design papunta sa likod. Meron siyang wheel cover na for sure hindi ilalagay ni BYD without purpose. Well, I am sure apart from its aesthetics purpose na naidadagdag, it helps in reducing the wind noise. Kasi medyo manipis po ang profile ng gulong niya. Kaya magke-create po yan. May tendency na mag-create ng road noise. Pero with the cover, I believe it will help a lot in reducing this at mapapanati talaga yung tahimik na interior ng BYD Tang. Of course, dito sa likod may power liftgate po yan. Ayan. Pansin din po dito yung horizontal taillights that goes throughout the back. May spoiler at malaki ang rear bumper niya. Ayan sa may bandang baba. For me, simple lang ang design nito sa likod pero andun pa din yung elegant at modern look. And overall, yung dating niya sa kabuuan, para ba siyang SUV that is set for like the European market na dinala dito ni BYD para ma-experience din dito sa mga kayang bumili ng sasakyan na to. On what I believe, this is like the gold standard for a premium all-electric SUV. Kung may segment man na gano'n. Well, syempre, talking about premium, yan na mismo ang ino-offer dito sa interior. Mula sa door panels, ayan yung Nappa leather na upholstery, how the dashboard is laid out, as in every material na ginamit talagang premium quality. I like the touch of brown leather material na ginamit niya sa door panels. May piano black accents, mga ilang parts ng panel niya. Andyan yung panoramic sunroof. There's the LCD display dito sa likod where you can control the AC, may USB charging ports, at impressive ang legroom headspace dito sa second row. Pagpunta dito sa dashboard, kasi dito marirealize mo na this is a completely different experience. I will not say that it looks too complex na para bang ang daming nakikita sa harap mo. Pero ang lamig sa mata, ang sarap sa mata. It is more on appreciating yung ganda ng dashboard and how it was conceptualized and designed rather than for it looking like maybe too complicated or overwhelming. Hindi po ganun. Of course, who would not like the ambient lighting? Ayan, nakaka-relax siya. Siyempre, may settings naman yan para di masyadong maging distraction. Of course, in the middle of the control panel, itong infotainment system niya, yung panel na yan, pwede mong gawing vertical or horizontal. This is where you can control the different settings and all the features that it has. Kahit itong instrument panel niya for the driver, very modern ang looks, all digital, and there is a lot to discover sa kung ano ang meron dito. Very premium din ang look ng steering wheel and it feels really premium. Talagang on the touch of your hands. Ewan ko ba, sobrang nakaka-amaze dito sa loob. Pakiramdam mo, ewan ko para bang nasa loob ka ng time machine. Ganun ka-high-tech ang dating niya and very comfortable. From the dashboard all the way to the center console, everything feels that it's a very special car and it is definitely one. Well, sa usapang power unit o sa power niya, this is full electric. Sabi ko nga, it has two motors, one in the front, one in the back to drive the two rear wheels. Alam nyo, yung dating pa lang niya, talking about speed, it will just really leave everyone behind. Talaga makikita mo pa lang siya as in, para bang na-imagine ko na siya sa NLEX as it's speeding away in front of you. Well, what I'm pointing at is about the serious power that it offers, and it is instant. Acceleration niya from 0 to 100 kph is less than 5 seconds. Wow! 350 Newton meters of torque ang meron siya. On a full charge, 530 kilometers po ang full range niya. Yan po ang mata-travel na distance. Charging time niya, well, this has a big battery capacity. Matagal po ang charging time niya. In terms of just the normal domestic charging, around 15 hours. Pero sa mga quick charging stations, you can get as much as around 30 to 80% within 30 minutes. Not bad at all, considering the power that it can deliver. Of course, kilala ang BYD for their breakthrough technology ng Blade battery, and warranty is around 8 years for the battery, and it is designed and engineered to last a very long time. Well, dito na po tayo sa features. Umpisahan na natin sa ADAS system niya, which is the Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. 360-degree view camera, heads-up display, radar system. Cruise control niya is stop and go. Adaptive po yan. Lane keep assist, may automatic emergency braking system, cross-traffic alert, cross-traffic brake, lane departure warning, blind spot detection. May traction control system, electronic stability control, ABS, electronic brake force distribution, hill descent control, may TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system, electronic anti-theft system. Naka-electronic power steering po siya, both tilt and telescopic. Auto on-off po ang headlights niya, may DRLs, side turn lamps, meron din po siyang rear fog lamps. Sequential po ang turn signals niya. Meron po siyang Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Meron din syempre yung Bluetooth connectivity. Naka-Dyna Audio po to 12 speaker system. May voice assistance. Malaki ang luggage compartment niya. For more convenience, andyan po ang keyless entry system, push button motor start stop system, follow me home light, yan yung follow me home feature, speed sensing door locks, USB charging ports para sa harap at sa likod, may wireless charging at 12 volt power socket. Available po siya in 3 colors, which is the Ridge Gray, Silver Sand Black at ang Snowy White. At sa pricing, ito po ang price ng BYD Tang EV. At gusto ko po magpasalamat sa sales staff dito po sa BYD, sa Greenfield, dito po sa Mandaluyong, for granting me access to feature the amazing vehicles they have on display dito sa kanilang showroom. Kung manggagaling po kayo sa east or north of Manila, mas convenient po na dito kayo pumunta. Meron po sa BGC, meron din po sa Makati, pero dito po sa Mandaluyong sa Greenfield, meron pong showroom ang BYD. Pasyal na po kayo. Sa pagtatapos, alam ko we are featuring a car that can only be purchased by a chosen few. But if you happen to be one of those chosen few and the next car you plan to buy is electric, well, this is the one you should be driving. Ito po ang BYD Tang EV. If you found some value on this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Drive safe. I'll see you on the next one.